Hello everybody! Have it ever happened to you that you cannot edit a big project because your computer is not powerful enough to make Premiere Pro work with all these videos, effects, maybe pictures, audios, etc.? There are many ways to solve this problem, and today we're gonna learn one that is really easy. Intro. First thing you gotta do if your computer is not powerful is to start thinking of your project as a group of sequences, a group of scenes. You will not edit everything in one sequence. You can do it actually like the professionals are doing in Hollywood. There are a lot of editors that are editing different scenes, and at the end they sit down together and they put all the scenes together to make the movie. But sometimes even this doesn't work with slow computers, and that's why I made this tutorial. We're not just going to separate sequences, but we are going to create few projects so that Premiere doesn't work too hard. At the end, we will go to the final project and pull all the sequences from these projects and put them together to create our final video. Let's go to Premiere to understand better what I'm saying. Okay guys, first thing I want to show you is this. This is the final project. This is a video I did in Ljubljana. As you can see, the name is Ljubljana. Ljubljana is the capital of Slovenia. I actually live here in Slovenia. Beautiful country. You have to watch this video. Come on. I'm gonna leave the link here on the top because I have a YouTube channel also. It's a travel channel and I do it with my wife and we travel all around the world making videos, so it's really fun. And this video is just 5 minutes and 47 seconds, but we really took our time to make this video. I hope you enjoy it, so check it out. So, okay, going back to the point. So, this is the final project, okay? So, I actually exported the video from here. But I didn't do it all together in this sequence. What I did, if you come here and we can check here, I have here different folders. For example, Metelkova Mesto is one sequence that I use for that video. Congress Park also, this is another sequence. It's all around the Congress Park. I vlog, I talk about it, I show the buildings, I show the place, very nice. And then you come here to lunch. This is when we went to eat lunch. That's another sequence. If we come here, you can see all the videos that I use for that sequence, and here is the sequence. You see, if we come here, you can actually see that there is the sequence over there, okay? So let's go back here. So now you understand that I actually edit by sequence. Every single folder here is a sequence. And then at the end, I come here to the final sequence that actually normally is just a little bit here of videos. And then I start to pull all the sequences that I already did. I open them here and I start to copy paste and put them all together here. When I finish, I export. It's as simple as that. Sometimes I take my time to do transitions from sequence to sequence, but that's simple, you know? This actually helps the computer not to struggle to make a big sequence here. Imagine all these effects and things that I use for this. It helps. But like I said before, not always it's gonna work if your computer is not powerful enough. So that's why I'm gonna show you another way. What we do, instead of creating sequences at different folders here, and then put all the sequences together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create different projects for every sequence that we're gonna do. Okay, let's do this. Okay guys, I just speed up the process. I already created this project, not to make this tutorial that long. So I created the project and it's called Final Project Intro, okay? This is a new project. I'm starting to edit the video of Ljubljana from zero. I just created this folder called Ljubljana Intro Ljubljana, okay? And now, as you can see here, this is gonna be just like 1 minute and 50 seconds. This is the sequence I'm doing. I'm not gonna do any more sequences here in this project. It's very short, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Whatever I put here in effects or nesting or whatever I do, Premiere is not gonna struggle to do it. So this is it. Now we're gonna create another project with another sequence and so on with all the sequences that we need, okay? Let's go to do another project. Okay guys, we created a new project. This project is called Ljubljana Metelkova Mesto. That is the neighborhood that I was mentioning in Ljubljana. We come here to the folder that it's created and you can see here is the sequence, okay? You click here, this is the sequence. It's just 1 minute and 10 seconds. So this is just about the neighborhood of Metelkova Mesto. And then we're gonna create another project with lunch. We're gonna create another project maybe with the Congress Park, another project with walking around downtown, and so on. Okay? So I'm gonna speed up the process. I did all the projects already. Now let's go back to the intro, to the main project, the final project intro that we did. And I'll show you how to import all these sequences together. Okay guys, now we are here in the final project intro. Remember, the one that we created at the beginning. And this is the only thing we edited here, but we're going to import all our sequences from other projects that we created. We're gonna start with Metelkova Mesto, that is actually the project that we just did now. Let's go here, let's go to import. Now here you're gonna look for where you saved the projects, right? We have here Ljubljana Metelkova Mesto, this is the one that we did just before. We're gonna open it, and then you're gonna have this window, and it says import selected sequences. If you put here, for example, import entire project, you're gonna import the whole project, and that's something we don't want. The idea is for Premiere Pro not to work that hard, you know? So we're gonna import just the selected sequences. Normally, this here is gonna be selected by default. You can see, leave it because it's gonna create a folder for what you're importing now, and this is more organized. I love organization. I think every editor should be organized because the workflow is faster like this. We put OK, and now Premiere Pro is gonna look for the sequence in the project that we just selected. As soon as it finds the sequence, you just click here. We look for the sequences here, Metelkova Mesto, and we're gonna select the sequence and press OK. And that's it, we have it here. If we double click, we can see that we have these 3 items and we have the sequence here. We're going to double click in the sequence to open it. Look, it's here. As simple as this. We're going to select all of this sequence. We're gonna copy. We come to the intro, that is actually the beginning, the final project that we wanna do here. And we're gonna paste it. We're going to erase this hole that we have here, and that's it. Look, we have the whole video here. And now we're gonna do exactly the same with all the sequences from the projects we just created. We're gonna paste them all together, and we're gonna have our final video, our final project. And we didn't make Premiere Pro to work hard in the same project with all these sequences. You see, we did it like one by one. It's all good. Premiere Pro didn't suffer much, you know? Now, my suggestion also is to go in between the sequences, like here, where you just paste the sequence, and make a nice transition, you know? Make the video nice. If you want these hard cuts and they are looking nice, just leave it like that. It's all up to you. Now, just keep creating and good luck. There are many more different ways to solve these kind of problems, and one of them, for example, is using proxies. If you are interested in learning how to use proxies, just let me know in the comments below. Now, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Also, if you want to support me, I'm gonna leave you a link in the description where you can actually buy me a coffee. Until next time.